Hi, kindergartners. Okay, we've been working on subtraction. Subtraction is take away, whole number, take away a part, equals a part, smaller number. So we're going to take away from the whole number. We've been using counters. We've been using our whole part strategy. And today we also added using pictures as a strategy. And drawing pictures for subtraction is a little bit different as a strategy than when we draw pictures for adding. So remember, from today, we're going to use all the same things that we did in class. We're going to use some of those same skills, but now we're going to use it on this worksheet here. So I need you to go grab this salmon colored whole part mat, okay? And it has the equations on it. So it's a different color than what we did in class. In class, we used our big mat. Remember, whole part, and then we stuck in the equations that we started together, and we're going to finish the rest of those together another time. That's why they're slipped in there. Okay, so we're not using this right now. All right, kindergartners, I'm going to flip, or no, let's read the equation first. Okay, let's read our equation first. 9 minus 5 equals,
Before you do that, Miss O, there's two sides, so make sure they're on the correct side.
Yes, so the other side starts with a 10. I want you to start on this side with a 9, and you need 1 crayon and your pencil. So make sure you have both of those before we start. Okay, 9 minus 5 equals, So now I'm not going to do whole part. I'm going to turn it on its side because we're doing subtraction. And we're starting with the whole number, which is what, kindergartners? 9. So I'm going to start with 9. So I'm going to draw a picture. I'm going to draw 9 hearts very quick because pictures are my strategy with one color. 1, 2, you guys pick your picture and draw them quickly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now remember, in math, it's a quick sketch. So I did 9 hearts quickly because for subtraction, you start with your whole number. And now I'm going to minus a part. What part are we taking away?
5.
5. Okay, so we're going to have to take away 5. So I'm going to grab my pencil and I'm going to cross out 5 from up here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to move them down here. So I'm going to draw those 5 hearts that I took away. They're going to go down here. I'm going to put a little arrow just so you guys know. They went down here. We took them away. Minus. And now I have to circle what's left. Ooh. Equals. How many hearts do we have left? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It equals 4. And I'm going to draw my hearts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are my 4 hearts that are left over. So now I can put it back in my equation. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Or 9, take away 5, makes 4. Whole number, take away a part, equals a part. So today we were making sure we're using our whole part, and we're drawing pictures. But unlike adding where we have to have 2 colors or 2 different things, we just have 1 color because we start with the whole number. All right, kindergartners, I'm going to do one more with you, and then it's going to be your job to do the rest the same way we're doing it now. All right, let's look at this equation. 10 minus 9 equals 10 minus 9 equals All right, for subtraction, I'm going to turn my mat on its side because it's whole number. Take away a part equals a part. So what's our whole number, everyone? What are we starting with?
10.
10. So I'm going to do 10. And this time, I'm going to do 10 dots. That's kind of quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All done. Quick sketch. I just did dots. You could do circles, rectangles, stars, whatever is quick. And then I'm going to use my pictures and take away whole number, take away a part. What part are we going to take away, everyone?
9.
9. All right, I'm going to take away 9. So let me do that with my pencil. I'm going to cross out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to draw an arrow. I'm taking them away, bringing them down here. So I'm going to draw those 9 that I took away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's the 9 that we took away. And now, whole number, take away a part, equals a part. Let's see what's left. How many? How many were left, kindergartners? Just 1. 1 was left. So 10 minus 9 equals 1. That's definitely a smaller number than what I started with. All right, kindergartners, now it's going to be your turn. You're going to do these subtraction equations, these subtraction sentences.
I think that's supposed to say 16, Miss O.
Is that 16?
So have them fix that.
So put a 1, make that 16 instead of 6. So 16 minus 7 equals So make sure you put in 16 and then turn it on its side. Set it up. 16 minus a part equals a part. Same thing for this one. 15 minus 8 equals So start with your whole number. Take away your part equals your part. Using your pictures, 1 crayon. And then when you're done, you're going to flip it over and do the same for the back. You have 2 more problems that have smaller whole numbers, 10 and 11, and then 2 that might be a little more challenging. When you're finished, take a picture of one of your sides of your paper, preferably this side. If you take a picture of this side, that'll be enough, and show us your work. But we want to see your pictures, so we should see your whole number. We should see the part that you took away.
And crossed out.
We should see your equal sign, what it equaled. You're going to circle what's left. You're going to cross out what you took away. So your paper should look just like ours for these other equations when you turn it in. I don't want to see just numbers. We're practicing the strategy of drawing pictures in our whole part mat.